Hello. Hello, hello.
If you've got bunions and you want to improve pain and function, here's the 3 things you should focus on. First up, switch to foot.
What's on then? What's on then, team? Hello, hello, hello. Two seconds. Dun, dun. You're all good? What trades are we all in? Let me know what trades you're all in. Write in the comments. And I shall have a little look. Let me know charts as well. We can do that. All good. Right. Let's get back. If we closed it. Oops. Where were we? Hi, Andre. All right, mate. How's it going? I've just closed off my music, guys. I need to find it again. I hope you're all well. I hope you're having a good day. I was a bit of an eager beaver, guys, on these sell positions on EURUSD. Hindsight, I wish I wasn't so keen to enter these other sell positions, but we're nearly back to the entries now, which is good. But yeah, I was a bit too eager, really. Luckily, price is going in our favour at the minute, or else I would have had to have close them out. But yeah, let's get some music going, guys, and let's chill out. I'll look at USD Swiss franc now. I know the sound system ain't the best, guys. I am working on it. Yeah, so for people that were thinking of US dollar Swiss franc longs, are you in it? Your entry was like the bottom of this wick, really, guys, to be honest with you. Yeah, bottom of this wick was your entry, really. So if you are in the trade and you got in around there, happy days, guys. Should we have a look at the 4 hour? See if we can drill it down any more. No, that's it. There's obviously we've got this massive wick here, haven't we, from last night? Guys, I just enter now, really, if you want to enter it. If you're already in it from down here, then good effort. But yeah, We got news, haven't we, at 1:30. So I reckon the news at 1:30, it should just accelerate the prices. You know, did you all see as well? When I was looking at the dollar, well, the last few weeks I've been looking at the US dollar. That was the big area of consolidation that I've been talking about for a few weeks now, as you all know. And I was waiting. I said, wait until price gets down to this big bit of demand, and then we're going to have some nice trades present themselves. And that's exactly what the Euro USD trade is, and USD Swiss franc trade, and British pound USD as well, guys. If you're in any of them three trades, good, because I've basically I looked at this from a weekly perspective, and last night was decision time to what we're going to be doing in the long term with the US dollar. My prediction now is long-term strength for the US dollar. Long-term strength for the US dollar, guys. Coming now. What's all your opinions? I'll be interested to see your opinions. What do you all reckon? Anyone's views on gold? So good that we're breaking lows on the 15-minute, guys. Fresh 15-minute. It would be nice to get down to this low and then continue breaking. Price might just sit around this area until the news, to be honest. Is anybody in these Euro USD shorts, guys? I'm in the shorts from up here. My original short entries is roughly about here and here. Got a bit lucky with it, really. But this zone, I highlighted this zone yesterday when I was talking about Euro USD yesterday in my live on YouTube. I was making a lot of people aware of this zone. Obviously, this zone here was very key, but I was saying that this zone was probably going to be the catalyst. And you want to just look at this zone from such a high time frame perspective, like a weekly. It's a weekly daily zone. And last time we were up in this zone, it was 2021. So COVID, back end of COVID. And when we did get in, when we was in this zone, look how far we dropped. We dropped all the way down here. And that was all because of dollar strength, guys. All of this move was the US dollar gaining strength. Like this chart here on the weekly is the inverted of the actual US dollar itself. Like if I showed you the US dollar on the weekly, all of you picture this now, yeah? So we got a leg down, we've got like an M in the middle and a leg up, right? Now look at this. It's there or thereabouts. We got the leg up, we got like the M, and then we got the leg down. So guys, that's what I'm seeing on the long term, basically, with the US dollar and the Euro US dollar trade itself. I'm seeing the US dollar to gain a lot of strength for at least up until Christmas, guys. And you know, I could well just leave this trade running up until Christmas myself, which it's on the build account, and you know, absolutely perfect. What I'll do with this running, I've got 8 positions on it. I've got 4 at the top and I've got 4 down here. The 4 down here are smaller than the ones at the top because I've got all that profit to counterbalance. But yeah, I'll just leave all these positions in, and then with the floating P&L, I'll use the floating P&L to then enter other trades like the DAX and all the others, and you know, all that sort of stuff. But yeah. Long term, guys, my long term target for Euro USD, guys, is a long way down. Definite long way down. I mean, look, we've just been going up since March this year. We need a major move down. So yes, I'm a swing trader, mate. Yeah, I'm a swing trader. I'm a swing trader / intraday trader, I suppose you could say. I do like to have a little scalp here and there, just depends what frame of mind I'm in. But yeah, swing trader mainly, mate. So I'll just leave this running. And it's positive swaps as well, so I'll be making money on these trades as well. Hence why I added more positions. If it wasn't positive swaps, I wouldn't have added any more positions. But I'm just going to be making money on it. Hopefully, if it goes down. This is a key area, really, where we're at now. Price gets above that, darker blue line, guys. I won't be I won't be very happy with it. That was like the limit I was happy with on this build account. The positions and the counterbalancing was, affecting. So if we do get higher than this, I'll manually pull out these positions down here. Yeah, swap fees. Yeah, luckily they're positive swaps. So the positions I've taken aren't the biggest. So it's not, loads of money, but it's like probably £1.50 every day. £1.50 on 8 positions. It's near enough. Well, it's an extra £10 a day, really, isn't it, on top of your trade? That's the sort of way I was like looking at it. So. Don't know why this just can't go down. We've broken the low. It's been playing with me a lot this morning, this trade. Usually a big pull up like this, there'll be a gap on the 1 minute, so then we'll know that we're just going to be coming back down. But what we've basically been doing all morning on the EURUSD, guys, and across multiple pairs, we're just trying to trap people. The amount of people that I've seen wanting to get into long-term buys on this is beyond me, really, because they don't understand the underlying asset which drives markets. They just look at a chart, look at the technicals, and then be like, yeah, that's going up. They won't know what drives this particular currency pair. Yeah, DAX. No, I wasn't. I wish I was. Where is it? Let's have a look at old Daxy Waxy. Yeah, mate, I know they've done me dirty. Oh. The thing is, Haroon, the thing is, mate, when we were at these lows down here, mate, right? When we were at these lows, I'm looking to the left now. I see this demand, it's been broken. We're not really reacting off of anything, so I probably wouldn't have taken this trade because I'm looking to the left and I'm not really seeing any good demand as such. Hence why I'm not in the DAX buys. But if we come down here and we didn't break this demand, then yeah, we'd be talking a complete different story. I'd probably be in the long position, but this demand got blown out of the water. And yeah, in my point of view, next demand's down here. So interesting. Are you in it? Are you in the DAX? I tell you, this trade is playing with people today. People are going to be getting stung left, right, and centre. Yeah. Do you know what? I do think the DAX is a really good indice to trade. To be honest, I do like the DAX. It moves, doesn't it? Do you know what I mean? It moves well when it wants to. So, like, if you were a scalper and I know a lot of people, if they're scalpers, they'll set themselves a time slot, like an hour and a half in the morning, London Open, and they'll have a range marked out on the chart and they'll wait for their setup and then just try and scalp the DAX, get like 20-30 pips. I think you could scalp 20-30 pips on the DAX quite easily, to be honest. I think it's quite doable within like an hour period. We are just, guys, we are just at my re-entry sales now. Lovely to see. I'll be doing part 7 later, guys. Part 7 is all about risk management. Risk management, how I cut losses short to, preserve the account. Obviously, it's not ideal taking, a 60 quid loss and a 70 quid loss and a 91 pound loss on a small account. It's not ideal. But we come back from it. We rebuilt it. We took the losses on the chin. We just got unlucky, guys. We just got really unlucky. The 3 big trades I've been talking about is coffee shorts, DAX longs, and New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc longs. Look at coffee. That really upsets me. My original sell was about here. Went up, took me out, and now look at it. The joys of trading. We all know what the DAX was, don't we? New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. Oh, wow. I'm glad I manually cut losses short on this trade, guys. I didn't trust the price action. My original trade was that my stop loss was right up there, because I was saying to myself that if we break these lows, chances are we're going to be coming lower. And it weren't nice to manually close the positions. I lost 64 quid. But I'd rather lose 64 quid. Well, I probably wouldn't have an account left now if I keep running. So, yeah. Take it on the chin, guys, And then I re-entered EURUSD. So I took the loss on the chin, entered EURUSD, and now we're back over. Well, we're up to 450 quid, guys, running at the moment.